Hey girls, we're gonna get some Starbucks. We got ourselves a nice, what's it called?
Unicorn frappe.
Unicorn frappe for all you home. How do you call it? Bubbles. Oh my god, it tastes like fart. This tastes like
Mango.
Mm-hmm.
It's mango flavored.
Tastes like mango.
What's mango?
It's okay. We're 10 years. We got it 10 years ago, and my kids didn't like it 10 years ago, and today they like it. So it's not that bad. It's a little sour mango. That's pretty much how it tastes like. So if you want to make this, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this with Sour Patch candy. All right? That's. I'm just kidding. So I hope you guys enjoy this meal.